Nimelt tuleb välja meie jõululood.
Hei! Võime ka!
Oota neid.
Ja minule ka!
Sulle ei ole vaja, te olete nii liiga kõrge.
Kirki ja Mari, laulge seda laulu, et mingi asi on tulnud juba.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, how fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. That's all that I know. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had very shiny nose, like bulb. If you ever saw it. That's all that I know. Oh, I'll tell you that another part.
Mari, eesti keeles ka.
Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guard my face today?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
Sauruseid küll tohib saada.
No ma ei tea, vaadake, mis see on. Mis Kirki arvas, et see on painting?
Mina arvan, et see on saurus.
Noh, tehke lahti, vaadake. Vaadake, mis jõuluvana arvas, et see võiks olla.
No, aga kuidas kingitused tulid, Mari?
Jõuluvana tõi.
Aga kus meie olime?
Kus jõuluvana asi on?
Me olime jalutamas. Tahan ma teen selle koha lahti. Siin. Jänku vaatama, et jõuluvana magab.
Tahti teha?
Jaa.
Mis see on?
Uued vildikad.
Mis värvid siin on?
Valge, oranž, roosa, lilla.
Kas need sätendavad äkki?
Ma ei tea, mis see värv on. Roheline, kollane, oranž. See on skuuter. I can tell.
Kuidas?
Nice penning. Let's see. Sinu suure paki lahti. See seal. See?
Mis seal Kirki suures pakis on?
Pardimaja.
Kus sa teate?
See on nii suur. Nii suur. Here's a package. It's him. I can tell. Because you can see this. A scooter. I told you I can tell. It's a scooter that I really wanted. Look, let's see. This scooter. Let's see. Great. Wait.
See? Tõukeratas. Kas te räägite vahepeal eesti keeles ka?
Tõukeratas. Tahan ma teen sulle lahti. Okei, Kirke. Lase lahti.
Oota, tõmbame lauda siia poole. Tulge siia poole.
I told you can tell, right? It's a Barbie, a big Barbie house. And look what's in here. But don't break them. Because they're like shaped like eggs. Yes, we got the Barbie house. The new Barbie house. My house. Wow.
Mis see on siis?
Barbie house! A Barbie house! Barbie maja. Ja see siit on see lahti. I see.